Hi there, I'm Alex.
Hey, Alex, I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. What do you do?
I'm a student studying psychology. How about you?
I'm an engineer. What are your hobbies?
I enjoy painting and playing guitar. How about you?
I love photography and hiking. What's your favorite book?
I'm a fan of classic literature like Pride and Prejudice.
Jane Austen fan, huh? That's cool. What's your favorite movie?
I enjoy sci-fi movies like Interstellar.
Ah, a fellow sci-fi enthusiast. Have you traveled anywhere interesting lately?
Not recently, but I love exploring new places.
Me too. I recently visited Japan. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. She's adorable.
Cats are great. I have a dog named Max. Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love experimenting with new recipes.
That's awesome. I enjoy cooking too. What's your favorite cuisine?
I'm a fan of Italian food. Pasta is my weakness.
Italian cuisine is delicious. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making homemade pizza from scratch.
That sounds amazing. I'll have to try it sometime. What's your favorite music genre?
I enjoy a bit of everything, but indie rock is my favorite.
Indie rock has some great bands. Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano and the violin. How about you?
I play guitar and drums. Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Yes, I love hiking and camping in the mountains.
Me too. There's nothing like the great outdoors. What's your favorite hiking trail?
I enjoy hiking the Appalachian Trail. It's challenging, but rewarding.
The Appalachian Trail is on my bucket list. What's your favorite season?
I love autumn. The colors of the leaves are so beautiful.
Autumn is my favorite too. Do you enjoy watching sports?
Yes, I'm a fan of basketball. What about you?
I enjoy watching soccer and basketball. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother. How about you?
I have an older sister. What's your favorite TV show?
I enjoy watching Game of Thrones. It's so gripping.
Game of Thrones is epic. Do you have any hidden talents?
I can speak 3 languages fluently. How about you?
Hi, I'm John. What do you do for work?
Hey, John, I'm Emily. I'm a teacher.
Nice to meet you, Emily. Teaching must be rewarding. What grade do you teach?
I teach 2nd grade. It's a handful, but I love it.
Second graders are adorable. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a golden retriever named Max. He's my best friend.
Golden retrievers are such friendly dogs. Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love traveling and experiencing new cultures.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.